Jackie, why you want to go away from me? You want to go inside, you little dog? He's a little dog. It's really hot. Jackie! Yo, 200 subscribers for the cool motor. I think I only got it because the video where it's called Starbucks. Because this is how you get millions of views in just 2 seconds. Have your comments on. Boom, 3 million views. Jackie, get back here. Get back here, doggy. We're not even 1 minute in, doggy. And you're smiling. Little doggy. Little dog. It's so hot out. I might go in the pool. The pool. Doggy! What's up playing with my dog video without petting a doggy? Yep. What's up playing with my dog video without petting a dog? Doggy. Where's the piece of meat? Where's the piece of meat? I haven't seen it anywhere. Oh, it's right there. You're eating. Want the piece of meat? I know how much you like the piece of meat. But you made a hole right here. Dog. Guys, warning. Little cute doggy. And he's cute when he walks like that. Why are you so cute? Doggo. Little dog. He's so cute. Little dog. Little baby dog. Little baby dog. Little baby dog. Anyways, we're gonna be playing right now. Because it's a special doggy. Little baby dog, a little baby dog, dog, you little baby dog. Hey Jackie, you wanna play with this? Like, throw it over there. We're doing it. Oh no, he's not getting off. It's so hot. Little dog. Why doggy so cutie? Huh? Little dog. Little doggy. Zachy? Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute when you're walking. Just like, you're so cute. You're so cute. Bro, how do I keep ending the video accidentally? Anyways, I can just use CapCut. Doggy, doggy, doggy. I love you, dog. Dog. Doggy. Little baby dog. He's just sitting. This is getting boring, Ducky. We gotta entertain. You want to be the me? You want to be the me? Go get it. He's so cute when he just walk. He's so cute when he walks. What are you doing? Why is so cute, doggy? Little dog. No! Well, let's see which one you like better. The piece of meat or the Pikachu. This is a test to see which one you like better. You're definitely gonna pick the Pikachu. I knew it. You like the Pikachu more than anything. Well, you don't love me more than the Pikachu. Probably do. Hey, Zach. Here's the... Oh, frick. I just sent that thing. I just set the thing in the air. Here's your piece of meat. What's in there? Wood. The wall is hot. Oh, you're eating. Ducky the doggy ASMR. Aww. Little doggy ASMR. Little doggy eating? Aww. Little doggy eating your trash can? Or bin? Why are you so cute? You were cuter when you were just as small as this circle. I miss you a little doggy. Pikachu! Pikachu! You want the Pikachu? You want the Pikachu? You want the Pikachu? Why do I call it Pikachu? Cause it's a Pikachu! Oh! Oh, why are you so cute? Why are you so cute when you walk? You're so cute for no reason. Why you have to let that? Why are you so cute? You're so cute. You're so cute.
So did your mom tell you to get ready, or you didn't want to get ready?
For what?
To go have breakfast for her birthday.
I got play with Daddy.
Huh?
Yeah, Daddy. Hi. Why doggy so cute? You're so cute, little doggy. Oh, skateboard. Wait, doggy skateboard. Doggy on a skateboard. You're not gonna like this. Yeah, it was a bad idea. I put him on and then he literally just ran. Doggo! Little baby dog! Mario, please! Mario, please! Doggy, why cute? Why so cute? Little dog. Doggy.